Happy VA Wednesday. So today we're going to talk about how fast can you close a VA loan. Really fast, guys, really fast. So we're going to be talking about a couple components of that today. Now, it's important to note that this is unique to myself and guaranteed rate. This doesn't apply to all lenders, but this is a question you should be asking. So one of the reasons that VAs had such a bad reputation with real estate agents for so long is because the bulk of lenders in the VA space don't move fast. They don't. Like, think about it, guys. Think about who the biggest names are in VA lending. Are you thinking of them? Drop it in the comments if you know who I'm talking about. You got your call centers with your scripts, right? Have you guys called and gotten the script yet? Who am I talking about? You've got your call centers where they basically pretend they are the VA, right? You've got your big banks. You've got, basically every type of company that's never been known for innovation. And I know that sounds harsh, but it's true. So let's talk about what we've got going on right now because I'm super excited about it. So if you've watched this channel for a long time, you know that VA has been something that's just been a real driver in my life for years now. And one of the frustrations I had was, why is it slow? This is stupid. This is silly. How do we make this faster, better? Because you guys have to be able to compete. That's the thing, is that a real estate agent will look at two offers. They'll be like, oh, VA is slow. Well, that's just because the people who have been doing it forever have never had the motivation to move faster. Okay, time to disrupt. And that's what we're doing. And that is what's so exciting to me. So years ago, I was talking to the head of underwriting at our company. She's a great woman, and she's in New Jersey. And we were talking about VA. And she's like, yeah, we were talking about like the problems and the image that people have of these loans. And she's like, we got to make it better. And I'm like, yeah, we got to make it better. So on the underwriting front, she's been doing so much stuff. We now have same-day VA. Okay, we're going to talk about that because that's really cool. So same-day mortgage is something that Guaranteed Rate came out with. I think publicly we came out with it about a year and a half ago. They started trialing it before that, and it was with conventional mortgages. And the whole purpose of it is, you fill out your application, you talk to the processor, you talk to the loan officer too. You talk to the loan officer, you talk to the processor, you upload your docs, okay? And the day that you upload the docs, you upload those docs by noon, you have a decision the same day, okay? It was taking out all the waiting and the fluff, because that's what a lot of mortgages is. It's waiting to be in line, it's fluff, and it was making it really fast. Okay, conventional, great, it's for certain type of loans. You'll see that with the VA too, like certain types of scenarios. Great, conventional, easy, close 10 days, no problem. Same day, magic, right? And you're like, well, wait, if you approve me same day, why can't I close same day? It's because we still, in many cases, have to order the appraisal, title work, there's still that, okay? But you can know that you're bulletproof same day. At the time, everyone was like, how can we do this with government, right? Because government loans have a lot more layers. So they started, after they got same day conventional all tied up, it's moving really good. That's when she started attacking same day VA. And if you guys watch this channel a lot, I talk about Maria, my processor Maria. Maybe some of you have worked with Maria. If you have, drop it in the comments. Maria's no joke, man. She knows what she's doing, but she's on top of it, right? So when they started doing same day VA, I was like, okay, like I am game because I want this to be better for you guys. I don't want the whole concept that VA loans should take longer is nonsense to me. Like, we need to change that. It is time to disrupt. So when they brought it, I was like, that's cool, but I want Maria as the processor for my team for same day. And the reason is I know her. And I trust her, and I know how intense she is. So with same day VA, right? Literally, you guys fill out an application, okay? You're already in contract, right? So you're already in contract, you fill out an application, great. We're gonna request the documents, and we're gonna get you approved the same day. Now look, you have to upload the documents by noon. I keep on saying that because I don't want someone uploading docs at 5 p.m. and being like, where's my approval? But it's fast. And we've been doing, with a portion of our business, same-day mortgage for about 4 months now. Because I wanted to trial it before I talk to you guys about it. Because I always want to make sure it's going to work. And look, what we're finding is this. We can get you approved so much quicker. And the benefit of that is you sleep better. It's that simple. You sleep better, okay? It's also really good when we're stepping in for another lender. Unfortunately, what we'll see a lot is there's people who claim to be VA experts, but they actually don't know anything about VA, and they're screwing up loans, and a deal needs to close, and we're able to move really fast. This is just another layer of that. Okay, so very excited about that. Right now it is pretty, like it's very like clean files. And you're like, well, what does that mean? Does it mean super high credit score? No, guys. It just means really easy income to figure out fast. So, VA disability, obviously that's easy to figure out fast. Salary, easy to figure out fast. Something that we can document fast because we have to get that verification of employment same day. So it's those types of files right now. And if you're like, oh gosh, I'm self-employed, Jen, guys, don't worry, okay? And the reason I've got this just smile painted on my face right now is because we pulled the data for last year of what our average clear to close is. And what that means is from the time you guys find a house and it's active to when we're saying, hey, clear to close, let's get those docs ordered, it's 15 days. That's overall, guys. Same days, definitely can be a little quicker, but overall 15 days, okay? Like the industry average is so much higher. And I'm not just saying this to be like, oh, we're cool. I'm saying this because last year I looked at my numbers. They weren't 15 days, guys. It was like 23. And if we can cut it down, I'm like, wow, like the only thing that makes it right now, in my opinion, the only thing that's making it so I can't close VA loans in 10 days is the appraisal process. That's it, right? Hopefully one day we'll get there. I did put, VA had, and one of you guys sent me, and I really appreciate it, they had where you could make public comments on what they should change. And I said, hey, we just need the ability to order a rush appraisal if need be, okay? And that's because if we hit a competitive market, a lot of times the offers that are being accepted are the offers that are moving the fastest. And I want to make sure that you have a strong, the strongest option can move as quick as well. So, that will be dreamy if they do it, but here's the good news for you guys. Same day VA, it's here, and I've been testing it and it's good. So, if you've been working with a lender and you're like, God, it's been in underwriting there's no reason your file should be in underwriting for 2 weeks. Like, hit us up. In regards to other stuff, if you're like, well, my file is more complicated, guys, we still move fast. And here's the thing, all of this is beautiful, great news. This is once you're in contract, the seller's accepted your offer. Am I gonna stop fully underwriting pre-approvals? No, I'm still gonna keep on doing that, but it's just good to know, and it helps when you write offers if I can say to the listing agent, this is how fast we can move, right? Because that's what they want. And from your perspective, it's always better to know that everything's good. So look, I'm still doing the fully underwritten pre-approvals, but it was a really big deal that they were able to create same day VA. And now we have this other opportunity, to give you guys peace of mind. Maybe you didn't get pre-approved with me, right? If you get pre-approved with me, I'm usually going to fully underwrite you up front. But if you didn't, and you really want certainty, it's magic, okay? And beyond that, if you don't qualify for same day, guys, we figure it out fast. So look, I'm really excited today. That is, because here's the thing, like, let's get real about this. For too long, no one in the VA space has tried to innovate anything. And that's not fair to you guys, right? Like conventional mortgages, you know, FHA, all of that stuff, they're always trying to innovate to make it better, quicker, faster, more competitive. But VA, like none of the big dogs were doing that. So the fact that we've hit this milestone, you know, I think it's going to start to push out and put pressure on other people. And I think that's great for you. You know, whether you work with me or you work with someone else, you know, ultimately, the quicker you can move, the more competitive you can be. Now, if you don't have to be competitive, do a 30-day close, like totally. But if you have to be competitive, I want you to be able to win. So I'm super excited. Questions, comments, as always, feel free to reach out. You guys know I've got the calendar. Sandy and Alyssa, they'll help you plan 2 years ahead. Or if you're in contract and you're like, I want to try same day, like hit us up. Like, we are here to make a difference. I can't stress that enough. Last note, I know I'm really excited, guys. Yeah, like you have no idea. It was Christmas. I am licensed in 48 states. So everywhere but Utah and Rhode Island, hit me up. I'm here to help you guys out. Thanks for watching.